Yeah, well, we're here at Underground MX in Kemp, Texas, which is only about an hour and a half from my house. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's a nice, easy drive here. As great as Texas is, and I love being here, I've never had good results here. I've had a lot of force, but never on that box. So I'm hoping to change it this weekend. I'd love to crack off a win. I know it's going to take wins to win this championship overall, and I mean, that's what we're all shooting for. But here, I just want to get on the box, and man, like I said, if a win presents itself, I'm definitely going to take it and fight for it.
There's a big purse on the line this weekend. I think it's a $50,000 purse total. $2,500 per moto for the pros to win, $1,000 per hole shot. So everyone's going to be on their toes and be pushing the envelope this weekend for sure to get that money and get that win. For me, I need to stay consistent. I'm 3 points behind. We got 8 races left, including this one. So I just basically want to stay consistent, stay on the podium, and I'm obviously gunning for that money this weekend and gunning for that red plate back. That I'm ready for it. We got the bike working awesome. Doug rolled Jay Goebel with Elka suspension, got that thing working today, and I got a good gap in qualifying, so it's good confidence for me, and we're ready to head into Moto 1 and battle it out.
We're really looking forward to this race, considering it's a big money race for everybody. This pro class has a big payout coming, and we're all going to push a little extra hard for that extra cash. And the track's really awesome here, Underground MX. It's really big, really sandy, and a lot of big hits. So we're really looking forward to getting out here and getting this racing going.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here, standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts
I'm just taking it one motor at a time and try to limit my mistakes and just keep pushing forward. And yeah, today I try to nail 2 good starts on my Yamaha and just try to run this thing out front and hopefully get a good chunk of that $50,000 purse we have up today. So looking forward to that.
oh.
know, Joel made a little mistake in right after the mechanics area, and I was able to take over the lead, and we had a pretty good gap already built up, and I just kind of cruised my Yamaha to the finish with the overall win today here in Texas. So really happy with it. Good points day, so we're going to try to push on to Indiana and try to get another one of these.
Made a little mistake, high-sided on a berm, actually same berm as I high-sided last year, and it bit me again, and I got 5th in that moto. Luckily, I salvaged the 2nd overall today. Got back up on the podium. Lost a few points though, which is gonna be hard to get back on them. So I got 3 races coming that I really enjoy, and I'm gonna push as hard as I can the next 3 weeks and try to get some 1-1s and get this points gap back down to where it should be.
I thought we were going to get that 2nd overall today, getting around Thomas, but unfortunately Thomas had a mechanical there the last lap, so I ended up getting 3rd. But I'm happy with it. Being under the weather today was a little tough for me the first moto, but we really dug deep that 2nd moto, and I got Thomas and ended up finishing 2nd that moto, and it was what a relief to get on the podium again. After the first moto, I was kind of struggling and not thinking I was going to get on the podium. But I stayed mentally strong and told my dad, on the gate that we're getting on that podium no matter what today. So here we are, and I'm super stoked to be here.